Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cities Skylines Remastered. First, select a suitable map, considering its natural resources and external connections. Begin by laying down your main road network, ensuring it connects to the outside world. This initial infrastructure is crucial for your city's growth and accessibility. Think about where your residential, commercial, and industrial zones will eventually go. Once your roads are set, focus on essential services. Provide power and water to all your zoned areas, ensuring every building has access. Start zoning residential, commercial, and industrial districts to attract citizens and jobs. Don't forget to establish waste management facilities and healthcare services to keep your population healthy and happy as your city begins to grow. As your city expands, traffic management becomes key. Design efficient road networks using one-way streets and interchanges to prevent congestion. Introduce public transportation, like buses or trains, early to reduce reliance on private cars. Always keep an eye on your budget and citizen happiness. A balanced approach ensures sustainable growth and a thriving metropolis for everyone. For advanced play, specialize districts for unique bonuses, like IT clusters or farming areas, to boost efficiency and income. Implement city policies to fine-tune operations, from encouraging recycling to reducing traffic. These strategies help you manage a large, complex city. And hey, if you're looking to bring your space to life with smart tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.